Have you ever pondered the possibility of curing diseases that have been deemed incurable? Welcome to an era where this might just become a reality. Today, we traverse the fascinating realm of bioinks, a technology that could revolutionize the medical world and potentially eradicate diseases that have baffled scientists for centuries. Bioinks are clever, carbon-based substances that are biocompatible, meaning they can exist harmlessly within the human body. Researchers at the University of South Australia's Future Industries Institute are developing these innovative materials, transforming them into soft, flexible devices using 3D printing technology. These devices can be surgically implanted within the human body and electronically communicate with our neural network whenever required. Picture this: these devices aim to reprogram injury and diseases out of existence. Imagine being able to talk to our bodies in a language it understands using cheap electronic devices. This could be the key to treating conditions caused by damaged or misfiring neurons, such as blindness, paralysis, and a range of neurological disorders. Traditional treatments for these conditions, such as deep brain stimulation and artificial retinas, have only had limited success. This is mainly because the electrodes used in these treatments are made from hard, inflexible materials like metals and silicon, which are poorly biocompatible. However, bioinks promise a different story. These organic electronic inks can be 3D printed into flexible devices that can communicate with neurons, grow new nerve cells, and create artificial neural interfaces. Let's digest the sheer magnitude of this potential. Around 3 billion people worldwide suffer from neurological conditions. Another 200 million are blind, and 1 in 5 people live with chronic pain. All these conditions are related to neurons misfiring, leading to undesirable changes in the brain, senses, and behavior. Bioinks could potentially offer a solution to these problems, providing hope to billions of people around the globe. The implications of this technology are staggering. It could herald a new era in medical science, where diseases that were once considered incurable could be wiped out. The journey to this future is a collaborative effort, with researchers, clinicians, and patients all working together towards a common goal: curing diseases for the first time in human history. It's an exciting time in the world of medicine, and the future holds infinite possibilities. So, as we continue to explore and unravel the mysteries of the human body, we remain hopeful. Today, we stand at the brink of a new frontier, ready to redefine what's possible in medicine and healing. The future is here, and it's filled with hope, thanks to the promising potential of bioinks.